How many candles are there, Hudson?
All right, don't blow
Count the
that yet.
candles. Count them. How many?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Hold on, not yet.
Wait, we gotta sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Hudson. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, almost. Are you excited? Oh, is it yummy? Taste it.
I just grabbed the wick like it wasn't taking fire.
He's a daredevil like Dada. You gonna lick the bottom of the candle? Lick it.
Mmm. Nice.
Don't bite it, just lick it.
Yeah, you can bite it. Go back to there.
Yeah, you can open it.
It's shiny?
It is shiny.
This is my birthday. Is it? What's that? On my birthday. What's that? What's that? What's that?
What is it?
Hudson? Looks like Hudson's. That. Mo! I maybe two.
What is it?
Oh, what's that?
What is it?
Oh!
What is it?
Oh my gosh! Oh, Dad! And that box. Whoa! What's this?
What is it?
It's the lobster anchor. Why?
It's dinosaurs. You can build it with Daddy.
Huh?
You and Daddy can build dinosaurs.
And I thought they were the green one.
Is that cool?
Now next, you who Dad? Now you get that one.
Oh, say hi.
I'm doing that.
What you doing? You can go under the water. Hey Hudson, what day is it today? Is it your birthday? Are we getting a burger? Are you getting a burger too? No, we're just eating baby food. Huh? have? What is that? Is that a combine? What color is it?
Green.
Is that your favorite color?
Let's do that one. Red.
You want the red and green?
It's stuck.
Need help?
See? That's bent.
Mm-hmm.
It's just not busy.
It's not spinning. Does the grass need to be taller? Yeah. This mat's really cool, huh? Is your sister gonna play? Can Austin play with you?
What truck does this attach to?
Who are you?
Spider-Man.
And who's Mama?
Superman.
No. Captain America.
That's America.
And who's CG?
Iron Man.
Let's go! Let's go fight crime! Pop in the world. Come on. Be Spider-Man. Do Spider-Man stuff. Oh. We better conquer Lily. Oh, you think she'll wear it? Oh, our newest member is Lily. Is she Batman? Lily, come here. That. Spider-Man. Oh, that's so scary. Are you eating your snacks, Mr. Spider-Man? Oh, is it tasty? Did you catch that in your web? Birthday, Hudson?
Yeah.
What was your favorite toy? You like your crane?
That's going to go.
Did you have fun today?
That.
Did you have fun swimming?
Yes.
What else did you do today?
Gigi.
You played with Gigi?
Then the crane. There's Frank. Crane.
You played downstairs?
And
You
yes.
took a nap?
It.
And ate lots of sugar? Yeah?
And make this. This clean.
Anyway, I think we had a good birthday, huh?
Good.
Say, I'm how old?
2.
3 years old. Say goodnight, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Love you.
I love you.
And now it's officially party time. Hudson wanted a green bulldozer party, so we made that happen. And here's our green bulldozer cake. Isn't that fun? Anyway, it was a great day.
Hudson, what do you
Come along for the ride.
Children.
What is it?
Try fuck with. And they're supposed to steal over it.
Which one's your favorite?
Green.
But which one?
Green.
Okay.
We'll see you soon.
Some of my favorite.
We did break it apart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hudson. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yeah. what is that?
That's spider.
That's a cool. It's shiny. I like that.
It's shiny.
You having a fun birthday? Yep.
It costs stuff.
Hudson had a great day, and thank you to all of our family and friends for coming. Bye.